Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup without meat. Start by washing and chopping all vegetables into consistent pieces. Sauté onion, garlic, and carrots in oil until softened, then add broth and harder vegetables. Simmer gently and add tender greens near the end. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and acidity for balance. Serve warm with crusty bread or rice for a comforting meal. I recommend a base of onion, carrot, celery, and a starchy vegetable like potato or sweet potato. Add mushrooms for umami and chopped tomatoes for acidity. Use 4 cups of broth per 2 cups of vegetables and adjust as needed for thickness. Fresh herbs like parsley or thyme lift the soup, and a splash of lemon juice at the end wakes up flavors. Simmer until all vegetables are tender. Heat oil in a pot and sauté onion, garlic, and celery until fragrant. Add carrots, potatoes, and any root vegetables with enough broth to cover and bring to a simmer. Cook until the firmer vegetables are nearly done, then stir in softer items like zucchini or green beans. Add chopped spinach or kale in the final minutes and simmer briefly. Season gradually, taste often, and serve piping hot for best comfort and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.